Hi, my name is Waketha Jolley, and this year I have the pleasure of teaching culinary arts at Kermit High School. And I just absolutely love the opportunity to engage with my students around something that we all enjoy, which is food. It allows me to keep them engaged in the class because not only am I teaching them different techniques, but I'm also finding out what they already enjoy, and I try to incorporate that into the recipes that we make in our classroom. Very recently, we did a unit on cakes, and we made cake batter from scratch. We had the opportunity to make buttercream and fondant. And so at the end of this unit, I gave them an individual challenge where they had to decorate and frost a 2-layer cake using piping techniques that they learned in the classroom. And I was just blown away by their creativity because they took just one demonstration and the challenge to go online and find different ways to decorate their cakes to an entirely new level. I saw students making pigs inside of a bubble bath with fondant and kids making frogs with their fondant. So I was just amazed at how well they did in this challenge. And it led to a conversation with one student to encourage her to continue in culinary arts as a baker at some level in her career. And that's why I love teaching. That's the thing I love the most about teaching is I get the privilege of teaching them a life skill, something that they will use every single day of their lives. Not only do we get a chance to connect over cooking, but we get to learn about each other, our family values, how that plays into how they plan to raise families and cook later in life. So that is the thing I enjoy the most about being a teacher, and also teaching culinary arts virtually with proximity. So thank you so much for this nod, and I just love being here.